Welcome back. In this video we will see how to make a mobile number location finder using Python. So let's start. So first we will see how does the location finder work. I run the code. Now here you can see it asks me for a phone number to locate. So first you need to put the country code, and then with a space the mobile number. I am not showing my number for security reasons. Then as you can see it has printed the country of service, service provider, and the latitudinal and longitudinal location. Now let's see the map which has been generated. Just open the folder where you have saved your code, you will find an HTML file, just open it with one of your browsers. As you can see it shows the location, however the exact location is somewhere near here, but as I told the location is not accurate and is only for project purposes. Let's first download the libraries required. First install phonenumbers, next the folium, and then last the opencage for the API. Now all the libraries are installed, let's see the code. So this is the program. First we import some libraries which we had previously installed. We also import some sub-libraries. Next we ask the user for the phone number to track. Then here is the key of the opencage API. To get this key, open your browser, go to opencagedata.com, sign in, and you will get your API key, just paste it here. Then here we get the country of use. Here we get the latitudinal and longitudinal position. Here we print the location. Here we generate a map using folium. Here we save the map. The map will be saved as a HTML file, in the folder in which you have saved your code. That was all about this video. All the required links are in the description. Subscribe to the channel and join the Discord server. We will meet again for another project. Till then, bye.